Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Ibis Paint X and choosing the brush you want. This matters because different brushes respond differently to smoothing. Next, tap the brush settings icon and locate Stabilizer. Turn it on immediately so you can see its effect. Set a modest strength, around 5 to 10, and make a few short strokes to confirm behavior. Once done, make sure to test both slow and fast lines. That quick comparison shows why you will tweak the value next. Now you refine the stabilizer. Increase strength for very smooth curves or lower it when you want texture and character. Switch between stroke stabilization and line stabilization modes to see which preserves your intended shapes. One helps long flowing lines, the other maintains shorter precise strokes. Make several long sweeps at varying speeds and zoom in while testing so you can watch correction in real time. Because pressure and speed change the algorithm, vary both to understand how the tool alters your line quality. Finish by saving a custom brush preset with your chosen stabilizer settings so you do not repeat adjustments. Then, test real work. Draw on a new layer, produce finished strokes, and confirm consistency across different canvas sizes. If you notice input lag or oversmoothing, lower the stabilizer value or temporarily reduce brush size and opacity to regain responsiveness. One key troubleshooting tip: if strokes still behave oddly, restart the app and reopen the canvas. That often clears transient input glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.